Good news! You can now own this beautiful townhouse at a very low down payment but only for a limited time. This townhouse inner is already complete finished sa pan turnover that is equipped with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a car parking, and a service area. So this beautiful townhouse right here comes with a very big parking area. Now, this is the facade of our inner townhouse, and as you can see, it already comes with a porch. Now let's go inside. The door is of great and high quality, no? It already comes with double lock features for additional peace of mind. This one right here will be your dining area. So as you can see, napakalaki po ng area na to. So you can really dine comfortably here. This side right here naman, yung ating living area. This side right here comes with a separate door which will give you access to your service area. Pwede mo itong gawin as your laundry area. Dito pala, no, meron na po siyang saksakan for whatever appliances na gusto mong gamitin. And then, meron na rin po siyang sink and a faucet. It comes with 2 toilet and bath, and the first toilet and bath is here at the ground. So, this one has complete fixtures. As you can see, it already comes with lavatory, the toilet, and the shower. Plus, it comes with saksakan for your heater and a ventilation right here. Ang flooring natin, naka-tiles na po yan. At the same time, yung sides, and take note, it's very classy and very modern. Let's go upstairs. Okay, you have here metal railings. The design of the staircases are very nice. Meron ka pang hallway para hindi direct yung access mo dun sa mga pinto nung ating isang toilet and bath here, and of course the 3 bedrooms here. Now, let's go to the first bedroom, and this could be your children's bedroom or a visitor's room or even your office. And very nice yung ventilation. Malaki yung window glass. Sliding siya. Okay? Next is yung ating second bedroom. Nandito po. Okay, for the second bedroom, ganun din po. The features that you see doon sa first bedroom is similar to that of here. Window, glass, sliding, malaki. And ang ganda ng pagkakadesign dito, it could really fit a one nice bed. The second bathroom is here. Similar po yung features na nakita natin doon sa baba. Naka-tiles na po yung both floors and the sides. Very classy and modern. It has complete fixtures. We have the lavatory, we have the toilet, the shower, saksakan for the heater, and of course a ventilation here. Okay, very nice. Now, the last feature of this house is of course yung ating master bedroom. So this is the largest room in this house. And as you can see, ang laki po ng bed na to, no? I think this one is a king size or queen size bed. No, it really fits easily. Ang laki po ng ating bintana. Is also a sliding window. And meron na rin po siyang butas para sa air conditioning system. May saksakan na rin po siya, ready. I mean, literally, lilipat ka na lang talaga. Ganun po kaganda yung mga units dito sa Savannah South. This is a townhouse inner unit. And if you want to know more details about this project, our contact numbers are down below. This is Jerson Marihanon, your millennial investor. Welcome to Savannah South.